Hello everyone, good afternoon from this very beautiful place. So in this today's lesson, I'm going to share with you a very effective thing, and that is confidence. So you know that whenever we want to speak in English, at the time we need confidence. Otherwise, we can't speak in English very well. That's why today I'm going to share with you how to improve your confidence. So dear brothers, look at this. I am right now speaking in front of camera, right? So this is my tool which I use to improve my confidence. Yeah, if you want to improve your confidence at that time, first of all, you will take your cell phone. And I know very well everyone has at least a cell phone. So by this cell phone, you can improve your confidence. First of all, you will take your cell phone, and like this way, you can record yourself. After recording, you can watch your own video, and after that you can decide where you need to improve your speaking and where you have mistaken, right? That's why this is very important, and this is very interesting tool to improve our confidence. Yeah, in this way you can improve your confidence. You know that confidence is very essential for speaking English. Yeah, that's all for today, and I will come up with a new lesson very soon. Thank you, take care. Allah Hafiz.